Hello student, today we will study first chapter of Footprint Without Feet, a Triumph of Surgery. Triumph means victory, win, surgery means operation. This chapter is written by James Herriot. James Herriot is a vet in Yorkshire, England. He is a vet means animals doctor. James is fond of dogs. He had number of experience with dogs. In this lesson, he tells his experience with a lady, Mrs. Pumphrey. She loved her dog and overfed him. The dog became ill. The name of dog is Tricky. I was really worried about Tricky this time. Here I means James Herriot. James Herriot was very worried about Tricky. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. One day when he was going somewhere, he saw Tricky with his mistress on the road, and here he pulled up his car. It means he stopped his car, and he was shocked to see the appearance. Appearance means look of the Tricky. He had become hugely fat, and here he showed that Tricky become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. हर एक कॉर्नर उसका जो लेग है, उसका जो स्टमक है, वो तो जमीन को टच कर रहा था. In this way he become hugely fat. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy. उसकी आंखों में से जैसे खून बाहर अभी टपक रहा हो, इस तरह से वो दिख रहा था. Stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaw, and his tongue which was lolled means came out from his jaws, और उसके जो जीभ है वो तो जैसे मुंह से बाहर निकल रही थी. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. She feels hesitate. Here Mrs. Pumphrey, she was wealthy and rich lady, पैसे वाली थी, and that is she hastened to explain. वो थोड़ा hesitate feel करती है and speed से थोड़ा बोल देती है. He was so listless. She is complaining about her dog. He was so listless. Listless means lazy. कि उसका dog जो है वो lazy बन गया है. She said that he was so listless, Mr. Herriot. He seemed to have no energy. ऐसा लगता है जिसमें कोई एनर्जी ही नहीं है. She is complaining about her dog. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition means कुपोषण की कमी है. उसको ऐसा लगता है her dog is suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extra between meals to build him up, and that is why she is giving her dog a little more between the meal. Some mold, cod liver oil, and bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. She tells that. What does she give her dog? What does she give? She gives cod liver oil and bowl of Horlicks, malt. She gives after the meal time. And did you cut down on sweet things as I told you? Here Mr. Herriot asked the lady कि उसका जो आपने स्वीट था वो कट किया. Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak. I had no relent. Means she cannot quit because she feels that her dog becomes weak, and that is why she relent. She stops. He does loves cream, cakes, and chocolate, so I cannot bear to refuse him. Mrs. Pumphrey said that her dog loved cream, cakes, chocolates, so cannot bear to refuse. वो सहन नहीं कर सकती, उसको मना नहीं कर सकती. I looked down again at the little dog, and here Mr. Herriot looked again to her dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. और Tricky की problem क्या थी? Because he was greedy. Whatever Mrs. Pumphrey gives, he eats. He had never been known to refuse food. और कभी वो जाना ही नहीं चाहता कि वो refuse करे किसको? Food को. Whatever Mrs. Pumphrey gives, he eats. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. Whenever Mrs. Pumphrey gives anything to him, he never refuses. He eats anytime and every time, day or night. And here, I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. Here, Mr. Harriet noticed that whatever the problem is tricky face here Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned उसने तो मेंशन किया ही नहीं था whatever the problem his fattiness his obesity his overfed are you giving him plenty of exercise here Mr. Harriet asked Mrs. Pumphrey does he provide him the plenty of exercise कि कुत्ते को वो Mrs. Pumphrey जो ट्रिकी को are you giving him plenty of exercise Mrs. Pumphrey replied well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see, but Hodgkin, the gardener, has been down the lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. She said that she is suffering, she is ill, she is sick. कि थोड़ा ऐसा लगता She said that she does not provide her plenty of exercise. She thought that the dog is suffering from malnutrition and that is why she does not provide him exercise. Here, Mr. Harriet said, I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right now and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Here, Mr. Harriet told Mrs. Pumphrey that if she will not be hardened, कि वो harden नहीं बनेगी, strict नहीं बनेगी, his dog will suffer soon. His dog will suffer and his dog is going to be really ill. उसका कुत्ता जो है, ट्रिकी जो है, वो बीमार हो जाएगा. He warns Mrs. Pumphrey here. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. She said that she will try to cut the food. I am sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. And here, Mrs. Pumphrey doesn't understand the problem of Tricky. The problem, where the problem is, problem कहाँ थी? Problem थी her overfeeding dog. उसका जो dog है वो overfeeding करता था. She set off, head down, along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. In this way, here Mrs. Pumphrey left and departed. But here ऐसा लगा जैसे कि वो कुछ एक नया टाइम टेबल रिजिम मीन्स मैनेजमेंट एक नया जो है टाइम टेबल बनाएगी किसके लिए ट्रिकी के लिए बिकॉज सी गिव्स lot of food to Tricky and Tricky's problem was that he was greedy. वो लालची था कुछ भी खा लेता था. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो वीक हो गया है एंड वो चल रहा था हार्डली ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू वॉक properly. वो चल भी नहीं पा रहा था ठीक से. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. And here, Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich lady. So, the wardrobe means cupboard were full of coats for the different season, different clothes, coats for the raincoats for the wet days. He struggled on drooping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I hear from Mrs. Pumphrey. And here, Mr. Harriet thought that there will be a call from Mrs. Pumphrey very soon because he was a वेट मीन्स एनिमल के डॉक्टर थे उसको पता था कि मिसेस पंफ्री से कभी भी कॉल आ सकता है. ही न्यू एंड ही अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन ऑफ डॉग. द एक्सपेक्टेड कॉल केम विद इन अ फ्यू डेज एंड एज ही वॉज एक्सपेक्टेड उसने जो एक्सपेक्ट किया था येस ही हैड अ कॉल फ्रॉम मिसेस पंफ्री. उसको कॉल आया. मिसेस पंफ्री वॉज डिस्ट्रोड. शी वॉज सो कंसर्न अबाउट ट्रिकी wouldn't eat anything, कुछ भी नहीं खा रहा था. He refused the food and refused even favorite disease, and besides he had bouts of vomiting. He refusing the food and it was an attack of vomiting. Continuously he was vomiting and he was refusing the food. He spent all his time lying on a rug panting means breathing fastly, and lying on the rug means mattress पर सोया रहता था. Panting means breathing fastly. didn't want to go for a walk, didn't want to do anything. He became so lazy. He is feeling so weak. Even he refused to go on a regular walk. I had made my plan in advance. Actually, Mrs. Harriet knew everything. He expected the call from Mrs. Pumphrey, and he got the call. And before that, before her call, he made the plans. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period, and he knew that if the Trickies will go out from the home, he will get cured. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation, and here he suggested Mrs. Pumphrey that the dog should be hospitalized for about fortnight means 15 days. एंड ही सजेस्टेड द पुअर लेडी ऑलमोस्ट स्वंड, वो तो थोड़ी स्वंड हो जाती है, विकन हो जाती है. सी वॉज श्योर he would prine and die if he did not see her every day. उसको ऐसा लगे उसका डॉग उसको नहीं देखेगा, he will die. But I took a firm line. But here doctor was firm. Tricky was very ill and this was the only वे टू सेव हिम. यही एक तरीका था उसको बचाने का. इनफैक्ट आई थॉट इट बेस्ट टू टेक हिम विदाउट डिले. उसको कोई डिले के बिना उसको वहाँ से निकाला जाए. एंड फॉलोड बाय मिसेस पम्फ्रीज वेलिंग. शी वॉज क्राइंग. आई मार्च्ड आउट टू कार कैरिंग द लिटिल डॉग wrapped in a blanket. And here he said that Tricky must be hospitalized. He covered and wrapped the dog with blanket and put it in his car. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. And here, as I told you before that Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich lady. So when the dog was departed from them, when the dog and when the Tricky was going to be hospitalized, the entire staff was roused and maids rushed. उसकी सब चीज़ें इकट्ठे करने में लग गए. क्या क्या उसकी चीज़ें थी? Whatever the things belonging to Tricky, the things belonging to him were favorite cushions, toys, rubber rings थे, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl and supper bowl. Supper means evening meal. उसके लिए different जो चीज़ें थे, all the maids were started to bring and collecting together. Realizing that my car would never hold all of stuff, I started to drive away. Or here, Harriet is saying that his car would never hold all the stuff. उसकी कार ने कभी ऐसे इतनी सारी चीज़ें उसने कभी स्टफ की ही नहीं होगी. And here Mr. Harriet started to drive away. And here Tricky was going to be hospitalized. किसके हॉस्पिटल में? मिसेस हैरियट की हॉस्पिटल में हॉस्पिटलाइज होने जा रहा है. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, उसने देखा Mrs. Pumphrey with a despairing cry. She was so sad, so unhappy, and she was crying. Threw an armful of the little coats through the window. और विंडो के बाहर से उसने जैसे हाथ हिलाया हो, बीड किया हो. I looked in the mirror. Here Mr. Harriet looked into the mirror. Before I turned a corner of the drive. कॉर्नर से एंगलिंग में वो लेफ्ट होने से पहले उसने कॉर्नर में देखा. Everybody was in tears. The maids were crying. Mrs. Pumphrey was crying. Everybody was in tears. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. And here he saw, उसने देखा, that animal means Tricky was in pathetic, at the pathetic. Pathetic means helpless victim, and gasping, breathing fast. I patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. And here Mr. Harriet petted means उसके हेड पर थोड़ा पेट करते हैं. At that time Tricky gave him response by wagging his tail, but he was hardly wag his tail. Poor old lad, I said, you haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. He knew that he will cure him very soon. At the surgery means at the hospital. Here surgery means hospital. At the surgery, the household dog surged around me. Here when he entered into the house, the other dogs surged around means उसके पास आ जाते हैं. किसके पास? डॉक्टर के पास. डॉक्टर कौन है? मिस्टर हैरियट. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet, and when Mr. Harriot put Tricky on the carpet he was motionless and lay there motionless without any movement. He lays there. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignore him. Other dog came to him, sniffed, उसको सूंघते हैं, and they found that Tricky was uninteresting object and ignored them. वहाँ से चले जाते हैं, avoid करते हैं Tricky को. I made up a bed for him in warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. Now here the bed was prepared for Tricky. For 2 days I kept on an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. And here writer didn't give him anything, only give him water. So for 2 days Tricky was kept on water. सिर्फ पानी पर ही उसको रखा गया. No any food given to him. At the end of the second day, he started to show more interest in his surrounding, and on the third day he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. And from the third day, he started to taking the interest in his surrounding. आसपास में वो अब interest लेने लगा है. He saw the third day. He began to whimper. Whimper means softly cry. जब other dogs खेलते रहते थे, he responds them with a cry softly. When I opened the door, जब उसने दरवाजा खोला राइटर ने, Tricky trotted out. He came out, was immediately engulfed by Joe. Joe means happiness, engulfed means plunged. Plunge means jump lagana. The graveyard and his friends, after rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Surplus means wholly fat body. And here the next day Tricky was giving interest in his surrounding, and also he followed the other dogs. Later that day I was present at feeding time. I watched while Trishan slopped the food into the bowls. There was a usual headlong rush followed by the sound of the high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he will liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. And here, when the food given to them, here ऐसा लगता था जैसे कंपटीशन हो. एंड इफ़ दे लैग बिहाइंड, अगर वो पीछे रह जाएंगे तो उसका लास्ट पार्ट का जो मील है वो उससे छूट जाएगा. सो हियर ही फाउंड दैट देयर इज़ अ बिग कंपटीशन अमंग द डॉग्स. सो नाउ हियर मिस्टर हैरियट फाउंड दैट ट्रिकी इज गेटिंग और ग्रेजुअली, उसमें जो ग्रेजुअली स्लोली उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट, ही कैन सी द इम्प्रूवमेंट इन हिम. So here student, we find that there was no sickness or illness in the dog Tricky. It was only problem with Tricky that he was overfeeding. Mrs. Pumphrey gives her dog a lot to eat, and that is why the problem occur with him. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, Mr. Harriot observed that Tricky was finding the food from the bowl. Next day an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see jostling his way towards it. And next day the extra bowl was given to him. एक और extra bowl उसको दिया गया. And here he was pleased, बहुत खुश था ये देखकर that he see him jostling his way towards it. उसके लिए वो अपने खाने के लिए other dogs के साथ वो jostling means pushing करता है, and he he was trying to finding the food for him. From then on, his progress was rapid. Now he found his progress was so rapidly. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmage. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, trampled on, and squashed every few minutes. He found that now he is improving. He just प्लेइंग विद द डॉग्स फॉर द होल डे. पूरा दिन वो दूसरे डॉग के साथ वो खेलता रहता था. एंड ही वॉज प्रोवाइडेड लिटिल फूड. उसके लिए थोड़ा थोड़ा ही फूड प्रोवाइड किया जाता था. ही बिकेम एन एक्सेप्टेड मेंबर ऑफ द गैंग. नाउ ही वॉज एक्सेप्टेड बाय the gangs, an unlikely, silky little object among the saggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life, and during the day, as ट्रिकी वॉज डिफरेंट देन अदर डॉग. उसका जो सिल्की बॉडी था ऐसा लगता था जैसे कि वो टाइगर है. जब वो मील के टाइम जब फूड शेयर करते थे तब. एंड एट नाइट ही इज़ लाइक ही लाइक टू ईट hunting rats in the house. He had never had such a time in his life. ऐसा समय उसको कभी मिला नहीं होगा. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for latest bulletin. Bulletin means news. And here she was so worried. Mrs. Pumphrey so concerned about her dog, and every dozen of times, जैसे पूरे दिन में वो घंटे के बाद वो कॉल करती है for the latest news of the Tricky. I dogged, and here Mr. Harriet every time avoid the question. और उसका question को avoid करती थी. से ask many question. कैसा है, खा रहा है, नहीं पी रहा है, what does he doing, what does he do, whatever and whatever. So I dogged every time Mr. Harriet avoid the question about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn accordingly to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. And here every time she asked कि उसने क्वेश्चन चेंज किया according to whether he worn the clothes or not. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey, and here every time he said that वो okay चल रहा है, तब every time Mrs. Pumphrey को चिंता हो रही थी. She thought that it might be have some surgery, कोई ऑपरेशन हुआ. She thought that it might have been some operations. She started to bring round fresh egg 2 dozen at time to build up Tricky's strength for a happy period for my partners, and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. And here Mrs. Pumphrey thought that her dog might be suffering from malnutrition. So she started to send some wine and brandy and dozen of eggs. So उसके लिए ट्रिकी के लिए रोज भेजती रही. It was enriched Tricky's blood. Lunchtime became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meals. But Mr. Harriet does not provide eggs and wine and brandy. But here Mr. Harriet does not provide such kind of things to Tricky. उसको पता है उसको क्या देना है. And that is why eggs, wine and brandy enjoyed by him and his partner. उसके लिए तो वो एक सेरेमनी बन गई. किसके लिए? मिस्टर हैरियट एंड फॉर हिज पार्टनर. क्योंकि वो ट्रिकी को देते नहीं थे, उसके बदले वही उसका एंजॉय करते थे. We could hardly believe it when Brandy came to put a final age on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled round, inhaled and reverently drunk. Respectfully drunk. Reverently means respectfully drunk. They were days of deep content. कितनी satisfaction था. Deep content means satisfaction. Starting with the extra egg. Starting किससे होता था? Extra egg से in the morning. Improved and sustained by the midday wine और middle day में wine. And finishing at night luxurious round the fire with the brandy. और उस brandy के साथ वो finish होता था days. It was a temptation to keep Tricky. Now here, Mr. Harriet had a temptation. Temptation means lalach, greed, usko rakhne ki. Why? Because he and his partner are getting eggs and wine and brandy every day. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. As the 15 days completed, as the fortnight completed, there was a call to Mr. Harriet that Mrs. Pumphrey is eagerly waiting for the collection. Collection means she wanted to take her dog back. Within minutes, about 30 feet gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Within 15 minutes or within few minutes, Mr. Harriet saw that there is a black car gleaming and shining outside the surgery, outside the hospital. The chauffeur means CHAUFFEUR. It means that chauffeur means driver. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figures of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in interior. And here Mr. Harriet found she was so concerned. Mrs. Pumphrey was very concerned. Her hands were tightly collapsed in front of her. Her lips trembled जैसे वो काँप रही थी. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? मुझे बताइए कि उसका डॉग जो है वो बेटर फील कर रहा है. She was really concerned about her dog. Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. Here he said that he will bring her dog. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs were hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ear flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. Mr. Harriet came to fetch the Tricky among the dogs. At that time, ear flapping means अपने कान को फड़फड़ा रहा था, and tail was waving, shaking, was a little golden figure of Tricky. उसका golden figure दिखा. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard, muscles animals. During this time, within 15 days, he became healthy, he became thin. He was keeping up well with the pack. उसके pack भी दिखने लगे थे. Stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. और उसकी chest ही जैसे वो ground को touch हो रही थी. इतना वो slim, fit and fine हो गया था. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house, and he bring the dog from the passage to front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. And here, when Tricky saw his mistress, he jumped. He just ran to his mistress and jumped into her lap. She gave a startled "oh!" Here, Mrs. Pumphrey startled "oh!" means surprise. She was surprised, and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. And here Tricky was licking Mrs. Pumphrey's face and barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushion, coat, bowls, none of which had been used. As car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey learned out of whatever the things belongs to Tricky, it was not used. उसका कुछ भी use हुआ नहीं था. Cushions, coats, bowls, nothing was used. And here Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window, झुकती है बाहर. Tears shone in her eyes. There were tears in her eyes. Her lips trembled. उसके जो lips है वो कांप रहे थे. Oh, Mr. Harriet, she cried. How can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. As if she was telling that. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो thank you. She is saying thank you. And last, this is a triumph of surgery. It means that this is triumph. Triumph means win or victory, and surgery means operation. So student, this is the chapter. There are 3 questions in think about it, and there are 4 questions in talk about it. Total there are 7 question and answer. You can do it in your homework book. Thank you and have a nice day.